Hi, and welcome to the course. In this introduction, I want to give you a short overview of what you will learn throughout the course. As you will see in a few seconds, this is not your typical motivation or weight loss course. But before I tell you why, let me first say something about myself so you know who I am and why you should listen to me. My name is Felix Harder and I'm a fitness and dieting coach. A couple years ago, I published my first book, The Gym Bible, which became an instant Amazon bestseller and led me to publish 5 more books related to health and fitness. In 2016, I started teaching online fitness courses and now have thousands of people taking my programs and following my blog, nutritionandfitness.net. What sets me apart from many other coaches out there is my approach to fitness. Everyone's body is different and will react differently to special workouts and diets. This is why I don't give advice that is based on just my experience. I always make sure to recommend only what's scientifically proven to work, not just for me, but for the average person. With all these diet fads and workout gimmicks out there, I think this is the most important thing. Looking at the facts to decide whether a strategy makes sense or if it's just pure hype. That's what I did for this course and what you're about to learn. As you probably know, weight loss is a huge subject and there are hundreds, if not thousands of programs out there promising to help you lose weight like it's nothing. Unfortunately, you probably also know from experience that most of them never deliver on their promises and aren't worth their price tag. This course is not like that. Instead of giving you a few motivation tips and then leaving you alone, we will go over the most important aspects of the inner game of weight loss. The course is divided into 5 main parts: setting the right goals, creating weight loss habits, creating the right environment, building discipline, and overcoming common problems. In the first part, we will talk about the fundamentals of proper goal setting. I will teach you how to set weight loss goals using the SMART formula, how to come up with small daily milestones to keep you on track, how to manage your expectations and stay positive, and what's the best mindset for weight loss. The second part is dedicated to everything related to creating new habits and improving old bad ones. Here you will learn what habits are and why they matter in the first place, how to build new habits, and how to stack several habits into a habit sequence. This will really make your life easier in regards to weight loss. How to choose the right triggers that will get you to act instantly, and how to create accountability for yourself and your progress. Part 3 is all about the right environment. Creating the right environment is super important for your motivation and will directly translate to more weight loss. So in this section, we will cover things like how to organize your home for weight loss, how to organize your time for weight loss, how to limit your information intake so you don't get overwhelmed by information overload, and how to surround yourself with the right people. Next, we take a step beyond just motivation towards self-discipline. I will show you exactly what you need to do to master willpower and discipline so you don't always need to rely on pure motivation. And lastly, we will talk about common problems like cravings and how you can overcome them. You will learn how to track your progress correctly, how to take diet breaks, and how to plan your meals to eliminate cravings. As you can see, we have a lot to cover, so let's get started.